Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know I have a lot of new subscribers here, and you might not be aware that I actually fly airplanes as well. Might not be the best, I'm not gonna be doing loops or rolls, but I do enjoy flying. It's been a minute, so let's knock off the rust and take this my old friend the apprentice out. This is what I feel safe flying when I haven't flown for a while, so let's see if we can have some fun and beat this weather. That's right, everybody, it's been a minute since I've flown. The weather called to be clear and very light winds, which has been hard to find this year. It's been extremely windy, and I've been busy with RC car stuff, so I've been neglecting my flying. So I am like friggin' nervous because I haven't flown in a minute, but it's starting to drizzle and everything's getting wet. So oh man, I'm freaking nervous, but this has always been a good plane. Pretty solid, so I feel pretty good flying this one. And then somehow my club changed the lock on the gate there, and I can't get in. So I sent a text. I haven't heard from anybody, and I've driven all this way. So, oh, I know what I want to do. There's a feature on this camera to zoom, so let's do that. I think that's it. Yeah, so maybe you guys will be able to see the plane a little bit better. Oh, this is such a bad background for flying in. But I haven't been out here in a minute. I want to make a video, remind people that, yeah, I do fly. I actually enjoy it. But man, it's been so windy this year. Usually the summertime you're out here just dying. It is a strong crosswind, man. Look, I'm like full rudder just to keep that thing straight. This is a good plane. It's a good, well, I would say a good trainer. I crashed it several times. A friend there, Jeff in Lower Alabama, fellow YouTuber, kind of worked with me, got me to where I could fly. Oh man, it is starting to rain. It's not bad for me, so I mean, yeah, it sucks for me, but it's the plane. The plane I'm worried about. Oh, this wind, the wind, the wind, the wind. I wanted to practice the touch and go, but the wind's blowing at this thing right now. Look, it's just coasting. Man, this sucks. Finally get out here, it just starts to rain. All right, let's see if we can't land this thing. Do a little touch and go. Ooh. Oh. Oh man. Yeah, I think I might have to stop. Oh, it's really raining. It's really raining now. Whoa. Yeah, it's jerking the plane around pretty good. Well guys, I guess this is gonna be a short video, but yeah, for those of you, I know I got a lot of new subscribers here recently, and yeah, check it out, man. So we fly here too. We'll do a little bit of everything. All right. Come on, power. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Rudder, rudder, rudder. Whoa! Damn, it ain't pretty, but we'll take it. It's down. The wind is Look at the wind I'm trying to land in. Look, it's gonna blow this. Well, everyone, it's raining. I gotta get this plane in before it gets damaged. Sorry it was such a short flight. Sucks. Drove all the way out here. But hey, everyone, appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.